guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And today we are actually buying this, and you'll be like, well, this is a tech review channel and what am I doing with merchandise out here? Well, the good thing is that we got approved of CES 2020, but it was a last minute decision to go for CES this year. And I was like, okay, fine, I do need some merchandise and I want to print out my logo on a t-shirt. So this video is all about that. So this is what I picked up. It's a t-shirt transfer paper. Now this is supposed to be good for like 20 washes, so you can iron it and then you can wash it, but I will show you a technique how to wash it and everything, and you will see that it's written it's fade resistant. Okay, special papers. The one that I got is for dark fabric. I totally forgot that this is technically not considered as dark fabric, still considered as light color fabric, but I think it will come out good on this one also. So what we are going to do is that so these are all you need. In this box you will find there is 5 blank sheets out here, and each are size of 8.5 by 11. So this should technically fit into any inkjet printers out here, and we have to go and make templates from avery.com. And for a shirt, we just picked up a basic red colored shirt because everybody's using the black hoodies and everything. I wanted it to be a little bit different. I picked this one up from Amazon for like 10 or 11 bucks. I'll leave a link below. This is going to be a perfect fabric to iron and press my logo into. So today we are going to make your own custom design shirt because I needed it for the channel for CES 2020. I thought, you know, might as well make a video out of it, just because back in the days I used to know like how to make all these stuffs in arts and crafts when I was in school and everything, and I was good at this. So we'll try to make this and see what happens, whether this project will be successful or not. Comes with a lot of recommendation, a lot of my friends recommended it. Let me see whether this product lives up to its purpose or not. Okay. So in this part we are going to load up the paper and see how the paper goes inside the deck. You do need an inkjet printer or anything, so these are a letter of instructions that is given. Very important you keep the instruction. Okay, you just load 2 papers out here really quick. Okay, 2 papers are loaded. You can only use inkjets, so do not use laser or any other company or any other, you know, like laser printers. To make a design from canva.com. In Canva you go to templates, or you actually go home. I'll show you this, and write down create a design and go for t-shirt. Now your design is 8.5 by 11, so make sure you're selecting a template. For me, I just went to elements. I searched for an icon. I want it to be like a icon like this folder that you have saved your picture, and just drop it out here. Once you drop it, you should be good. Yeah, so now you will see that your stuff is already done. Make sure you're just making it a little bit bigger. Go ahead and press download. Suggested is PNG, but I think small size. Okay, let's do PNG. Suggested is, so go ahead and download that. Takes a little bit of time. Cancel, allow to download, and there's no need for print or anything. Okay, so the design is here. Now we are going to take this template and go back to Safari again. We are going to scroll back to a very design. We are going to go here and delete this picture. Okay, and then we are going to drop a picture out here. Go ahead and choose the PNG. That's perfect. Actually, we are going to so yeah, we are going to decrease this a little bit, position this right in the middle. Okay, so that's our first one, and we are going to print this one and see how it happens. So after you've connected to your Mac or your PC or anything, go ahead and press print. So you will see the print will come out very fast. I'm good with this. Now let's print another one. You guys, designs are more or less made. So the plan is to keep the logo in the middle and keep the matter out here, and then keep the opinions on this side. I wanted to keep it in a little bit different way rather than just putting the opinion on the top. Let's see how it works out. So at first, what you guys need to do is centralize the logo, or where you want to put it. Use one of these papers to cover it. So place it on a wooden surface. Do not place it on an iron board as per the instructions. And they're also telling to preheat this to the highest settings. At first, make sure there is no crease into your stuff. So just gently heat it and make sure there is no crease. So I've actually accidentally printed on both sides, so I know which side is up. So remove the print like this. Okay, remove the print very carefully and gently remove it.